This is my front door. The dream catchers are from Hobby Lobby. Okay, and then we open it. This is my friend's calendar. I got it from a stationery store. It's friends. You gotta represent the friends. Yep. And this is my dresser. It was a hand-me-down from my cousin, but we DIY it. It used to be white, then pink. Now it's gray and the mirror is red. Yeah. And more friend stuff. Like random friend pictures, a book, a poster, my necklace with a Scorpio sign on it, then fairy lights. Then we move to the wall, big K for my name, then my shelf with random little knickknacks, then the poster is from Kirkland's, then my big lamp, that lamp is from Kirkland's too, yep, then my TV, then my vanity, we'll get to that later, my coat rack with fairy lights hanging on it, with hats and random sweaters, my mirror, I don't know where that mirror is from, yeah, and then shoe bag below there. Where are we going? Where are you gonna go? Going to the floor now? I love when the sun shines through to the floor. That's so cool. There's my shoe rack. This is my vanity with random little knickknacks. Oh, this picture looks like me. So, yeah. I don't know where I got it from. Yes. Nail stuff. I like using these little nail stickers. They last a really long time. Yeah, I think all that's from Kirkland's. And then some plants from from Lowe's, yeah. And then we go to my DVD down there. And you know, I gotta have Gilmore Girls, Friends, and Scream. Yep. No room is complete without that. Especially the first one. Then my little TV dinner tray. So a mess. But this is my other nightstand, my little tripod. Candle. That candle smells really good. But yeah. My little Scorpio crystals. I got that as a birthday gift. So. And where are we going to? And now the big reveal. It's my bed. My bed is from JCPenney's and Bed Bath & Beyond. Like I got them from both. And the blankets are from Kirkland's, and so are the pillows. Those little fluffy yellow pillows. Flowery yellow pillows. Well, that is my room tour. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next. Correct myself. Wow, that is bright. I want to correct myself. The duvet cover and the pillows are from Bed Bath & Beyond and JCPenney's. My mattress is from Sam's. I just wanted to correct myself there. But it's very comfortable. It's a double/full. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in my next video.